Hello, everybody. I'm here with Maria from ABB. So, welcome, Maria.
Thank you.
Give me a little bit about your background and what you do for ABB.
So basically, I'm the product marketing manager for our HVAC offering in ABB Motion.
Got it. So, we wanted to talk today about the smart buildings, and perhaps we should start with defining what exactly is the definition in your mind of a smart building.
Yeah. Let me start from the very beginning. So we are stepping into this digital era, and it's obvious for everyone. And of course, when talking about digital, it comes to all aspects of our life. One of the core ABB businesses is energy generation, energy distribution, and energy usage. And we are bringing digital technologies into this field. And when it comes to energy usage, smart energy usage, I think it's important to talk about buildings, smart buildings. Did you know that about 40% of energy consumed by building goes to air conditioning, heating, and ventilation? And of course, it's
That's a
very
high percentage.
yes. It's about 40. Of course, it's very smart and very reasonable to take a bit closer look at how we use energy for air conditioning and heating, because there is actually a very big energy saving potential.
Got it. Thank you. So walk us into how does a project develop to, let's say, reduce that 40% consumption for AC? How does your technology help reduce that? Give us some insights into that.
Yes, sure. So let's talk a bit about digital powertrain. Have you ever heard about this concept?
Digital powertrain. I could say I couldn't put it in a context. I heard of a powertrain.
Yeah.
And yes,
Digital powertrain. So basically, it's a suite or number of digital technologies improving reliability, safety, and energy efficiency of all digital powertrain components, from drives and motors to bearings and, for example, pumps.
Got it.
We have in our buildings fans, we have pumps, and we have compressors. And if we look at how those components consume energy, basically we use motors there and we use drives. So energy efficient motors, they are of course allowed to save energy, but when it comes to like very much fluctuating building load, very much fluctuating number of people in the building in this particular moment. Of course, we should adjust load in accordance to current situation, and this is where our drives help. So basically, drives, they are able to control motor speed in accordance to the current load,
Right.
and therefore save energy when it's possible.
Right. So they said between the controller and the motor, helping that interface, right? Digitizing it.
Of course. And it's only part of this, so energy efficiency, but then we can also talk about reliability of the process. And this is where, for example, our smart sensors can help, because they are able to let's say, read different kind of parameters like vibration levels, for example. And vibration of a motor bearing, or of a pump can tell a lot about how these components actually perform. And if some sort of maintenance action will be needed soon. So here we are able to run some very much predictive maintenance, and we can fix the problem before it actually occurs. And I think it's very important for some critical facilities, like, for example, data centers. Yeah.
Got it. Thank you. So any sneak peek into the 2020? What should we expect from your groups around the smart buildings?
Basically, now we see that in many countries there are governmental initiatives present related to building energy efficiency performance, and I know that in some regions there are, let's say, building energy efficiency indexes set. And of course, our smart digital solutions, they are able to increase this building energy efficiency index and make buildings more smart, meaning more efficient, more safe, and
Thank
of
you.
course make the environment more healthy.
Let's talk a little bit about that. How do you measure? You brought up a good point. You brought some indexes.
Yeah.
How do people? My uncle, for instance, owns some buildings, residential buildings. How do we measure that? How smart is it? We'll talk about some of those indexes.
How smart the building is. Basically, there are a lot of different systems present in the building, and it's not only air conditioning, it's also some security systems, safety systems. And if we are able to make those systems talk to each other, we get this kind of smart building. And of course, smart building understands how much energy it uses for some particular processes, how safe environment it has within its walls, and there are many different aspects, of course, but it's all about interlinking different building systems and bringing them all together.
Right. So now that's something that for decades ABB has been doing an awesome job at connecting things.
Yes.
I think it's you're also referring connecting, also bringing the resident side so they can have access to it, so perhaps offering more value into that.
Yeah.
It's easier to communicate.
So we are trying to talk not about separate products, but actually about solutions, because we think that this is like the most beneficial aspect when we are able to offer a solution, a complete solution to a building, a complete solution to our customers, where again we bring all the components from our offering together, and we are able to cover basically all building needs.
Got it. Thank you so much, and stay tuned for more insights into digital buildings.